Hello, my name is Feng Jingkun. In this video, I am going to introduce a solution of Rubik's Cube, which was invented by myself. This solution doesn't require people to remember many algorithms, but it needs some understanding of Rubik's Cube, so it's not suited for beginners. This is the explanation of the letters in an algorithm which will be shown later. Here is what we need to do in this step. Solving all corner pieces on the top layer. These are the algorithms that we need in this step. We can either use algorithm 1 and 2 or use algorithm 2 and 3. Algorithm 3 came from some usual solutions such as CFOP, so you don't need to remember abstract algorithm in this step if you have learned one of these two algorithms. I highly recommend using algorithm 1 and 2, since that would be the simplest way. After finishing this step, the cube will look like this. We have solved all the corner pieces. Step 3. Solving 4 edges on the middle layer. This step is pretty easy. The most important point here is the essential algorithm. U(m prime), U2, M prime, U. We will use this algorithm several times in this solution, so I would like to call it the essential algorithm. We can finish step 4 in this way, putting the blue center pieces down there, and we just solve the green center pieces at the same time. Step 5. Solving 2 bottom edges. Using the essential algorithm, we can easily finish this step. Step 6. Orienting the rest edges. Using this algorithm, M, U, M, orient the rest of the edge pieces. This step is a little complicated, but it's the same as the bridge method. Step 7. Solving all pieces on both left and right sides. After finishing this step, the cube looks like this. The 8th step, also the last step, is too complex for me to explain in this video. So I will show the algorithms, but not explain it.